Hey Escambia County teachers! Did you know you can easily create signups right inside of Focus? Let's walk through how to create a classroom supply signup. So I'm in my communication module and I've already clicked on sign up. I'm going to select who I want to send the sign up to, in this case, the primary contacts of my students. And then I'm going to fill in the event name, the location, the date, and time. And I want to lock my responses, so I'm going to go ahead and put that info in too. Don't forget, when you add an end date, you can also schedule reminder emails. I'm going to add my question, which is classroom supplies needed, and I'm going to enter the supplies needed and the quantities of each. Now, a quick pro tip, if you created a sign up before, you can go to your signups, click results, and then copy and adjust the parameters and resend, saving you time. If you'd like to message families that have signed up to bring a supply in to say thanks, you can do that easily by adding a filter and then clicking the message button. It's super easy, it's super quick, and there's lots of possibilities, so give it a try today.